Chapter 3. Subtraction. Subtraction. Subtraction means taking away one number from another number. When we subtract a smaller number from larger number, the answer we get is called the difference. Subtraction of 3-digit numbers. While subtracting, always write the larger number on the top. First subtract ones, next tens, and then hundreds. Subtraction without regrouping. When each digit of minuend is greater than its corresponding digits of subtrahend, we subtract without regrouping. Let us subtract 165 from 378. Arrange the given numbers in columns and then follow these steps. Subtract the ones. 8 ones minus 5 ones is equals to 3 ones. Write 3 under ones column. Subtract the tens. 7 tens minus 6 tens, that is equals to 1 ten. Write 1 under tens column. Subtract the hundreds. 3 hundreds minus 100 is equals to 2 hundreds. Write 2 under hundreds column. Thus, 378 minus 265 is equals to 213. Subtraction with regrouping. If any digit of minuend is smaller than its corresponding digit of subtrahend, we subtract using regrouping. Let us subtract 235 from 523. Arrange the numbers in the columns and then follow these steps. Subtract the ones. As we cannot subtract 5 ones from 3 ones, so we borrow 1 10 from tens column and regroup the ones column as 3 ones plus 10 ones, that is equals to 13 ones. Now 13 ones minus 5 ones is equals to 8 ones. Write 8 under ones column. Subtract the tens. In tens column, 1 ten is left after borrowing. As we cannot subtract 3 tens from 1 ten, so we borrow 100 from hundreds column and regroup the tens column as 1 ten plus 10 tens is equals to 11 tens. Now 11 tens minus 3 tens is equals to 8 tens. Write 8 under tens column. Subtract the hundreds. In hundreds column, 4 hundreds are left after borrowing. Now 4 hundreds minus 2 hundreds, that is equals to 2 hundreds. Write 2 under hundreds column. Thus 523 minus 235 is equals to 288. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers without regrouping. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers is not different from the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. Only here we got to subtract one extra pair of digits at the thousands place. Arrange the numbers in columns as per their place values. Take care to write the greater number on the top and then subtract. Solve examples. Subtract 6,342 from 8,573. Here, 8,573 is greater than 6,342. Arrange the numbers in columns and then follow these steps. Subtract the ones. 3 ones minus 2 ones, that is equals to 1 1. Write 1 under ones column. Subtract the tens. 7 tens minus 4 tens is equals to 3 tens. Write 3 under tens column. Subtract the hundreds. 5 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is equals to 2 hundreds. Write 2 under hundreds column. Subtract the thousands. 8 thousands minus 6 thousands is equals to 2 thousands. Write 2 under thousands column. Thus, 8,573 minus 6,342 is equals to 2,231. Example 2. Find the difference between 2,541 and 6,798. Here, 6,798 is greater than 2,541. Arrange the numbers in columns and then subtract. 6,798 minus 2,541. Thus, the difference is 4,257. Subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Subtraction with regrouping for 4-digit numbers is same as that for 3-digit numbers, except for the fact that borrowing may start from thousands place if required. Solved example. Subtract 4,968 from 7,873. Arrange the given numbers in columns and then follow these steps. Subtract the ones. As we cannot subtract 8 ones from 3 ones, we borrow 1 10 from tens column and regroup the ones column. As 1 10 plus 3 ones is equals to 10 ones plus 3 ones, that is equals to 13 ones. Now 13 ones minus 8 ones is equals to 5 ones. Write 5 under ones column. Subtract the tens. In tens column, 7 tens become 6 tens after borrowing. Now 6 tens minus 6 tens is equals to 0. Write 0 under tens column. Subtract the hundreds. As we cannot subtract 9 hundreds from 8 hundreds, we borrow 1000 from thousands column. 1000 plus 8 hundreds is equals to 10 hundreds plus 8 hundreds, that is equals to 18 hundreds. Now 18 hundreds minus 9 hundreds, that is equals to 9 hundreds. Write 9 under hundreds column. Subtract the thousands. In thousands column, 6 thousands are left after borrowing. Now 6 thousands minus 4 thousands, that is equals to 2 thousands. Write 2 under thousands column. Thus 7,873 minus 4,968, that is equals to 2,905. Example 2. Find the difference between 9,500 and 3,784. Here, 9,500 is greater than 3,784. Arrange the numbers in columns and then subtract. 9,500 minus 3,784. Thus, the difference is 5,716. Properties of subtraction. When we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 693 minus 0 is equals to 693. 2,918 minus 0 is equals to 2,918. When we subtract a number from itself, the difference is always 0. For example, 734 minus 734, that is equals to 0. 2,149 minus 2,149 is equals to 0. Checking subtraction using addition. We can easily check the subtraction by adding the difference to the subtrahend. If the sum is equal to minuend, then the subtraction is correct. Let us subtract 2,623 from 4,532 and check our answer. 4,532 minus 2,623. As you can see, 3 cannot be subtracted from 2. So we will borrow 1 tens from tens column and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now, after borrowing, 3 has become 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So write 0 at tens column. Now, as you can see, 6 cannot be subtracted from 5. So we will borrow 1000 from thousands column. 5 will become 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Now, after borrowing, 4 has become 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So the answer is 1909. This is minuend, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. We subtract 2623 from 4532 and we get the difference as 1909. When we add 1909 and 2623, we get the sum as 4532. That is minuend. Thus, the answer for subtraction is correct. Word problems. While solving word problems, look for words like take away, compare, difference, left, etc. These all mean subtraction. Examples. What is left when you take away 3072 from 9894? Here, take away means subtraction. First, write on their place values. Start subtracting from ones. 4 minus 2 is 2. Write 2 in ones column. Now let's move to tens column. 9 minus 7 is 2. Write 2 in tens column. Now let's subtract 100 column. 8 minus 0 is 8. Write 8 at 100th column. Let's subtract thousands column. 9 minus 3 is 6. Write 6 in thousands column. Thus, 6822 is left. Example 2. Our stadium has a seating capacity of 4359. 2154 people watched the show. How many seats are vacant? Seating capacity of stadium is 4359. Number of people watching the show? 2154. Seats left vacant? 4359 minus 2154, that is equals to 2205. Thus, 2205 seats were vacant. Example 3. A school library has 3125 books. If 1178 books were issued, how many books are still left in the library? Total number of books 3125. Number of books issued 1178. Number of books left 3125 minus 1178. Thus, 1947 books were left in the library. Example 4. An orchard has mango trees and papaya trees. Out of the total 3845 trees, there are 1986 mango trees. How many papaya trees are there? Total number of trees is equals to 3845. Number of mango trees 1986. Number of papaya trees 3845 minus 1986. That is equals to 1859. Thus, the number of papaya trees are 1859. Addition and subtraction together. When addition and subtraction are given together, first we always add and then subtract. Solved examples. Solve 2375 plus 1565 minus 2860. Add the number 2375 and 1565. 5 plus 5 is 10. 0 at 1's column, 1 at 10's column. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 4 at 10's column, 1 at 100 column, that is carryover. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 at 100th column. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 at 1000's column. Now subtract 2860 from 3940. So let's put them in their place values. 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. Now as you can see, 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. So we will borrow 100 from 100 column. So 4 will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. Write 8 at 10's column. Now after borrowing, 9 will become 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 0 at 100th place. Now 3 minus 2 is 1. Write 1 at 1000's place. Thus 2375 plus 1565 minus 2860 is equals to 1080. Example 2. Solve 6039 minus 5153 plus 1905. Step 1. Add the numbers 6039 and 1905. The answer will be 7944. Step 2. Subtract 5153 from 7944. The answer is 2791. Thus 6039 minus 5153 plus 1905 is equals to 2791. Example 3. 8925 persons visited an exhibition on Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. If 2136 persons visited the exhibition on Sunday and 3869 persons on Monday, then how many persons visited the exhibition on Tuesday? Number of persons who visited the exhibition on Sunday and Monday: 2136 plus 3869, that is equals to 6005. Total number of persons who visited the exhibition is equals to 8925. Thus, number of persons who visited the exhibition on Tuesday is equals to 8925 minus 6005, that is equals to 2920. Estimating that difference. To quickly check the difference, we round off the numbers and subtract them. It can give us a rough estimate whether our answer is correct or not. Solved examples. Estimate the difference of 78 and 52 to the nearest tens. 78 rounded to nearest tens, that is 80. 52 rounded to nearest tens, that is 50. Estimated difference, that is 80 minus 50. 0 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. So estimated difference is 30. Now actual difference. 78 minus 52. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. That is 26. That is the actual difference. Example 2. Estimate the difference of 892 and 720 to the nearest hundreds. 892 rounded to nearest hundreds is 900. 720 rounded to nearest hundreds is 700. Estimated difference 900 minus 700 is equals to 200. Actual difference 892 minus 720 is equals to 172.